Hello guys, me again. Jackhammer, and I forgot the important thing. I'm gonna change my username from. So let's go. So let's don't care about that. Like I don't care because they're my grandma. Even my dad just don't care about me. And I don't know why there are brown shirt on my. I don't know. Okay. I changed my username to jackhammer. So I'm gonna change my username from to 1st August. Okay, I just done that. Okay, I got that because these are both blackhead. So bye. And even I forgot my important thing to tell you, but it's not important to me because I just stupid and bye. And don't forget. Oh yeah, I already said bye.